Hey, welcome back to Learn English 88 with Gary Dawson-Smith, and we are continuing our English pronunciation course. I hope you're enjoying it so far. I hope you're practicing along with me, and looking forward to giving you another lesson today. All right, lesson 7 is going to be the vowel sound A, as in 8, 8. All right. First of all, let's review it's very important when you're learning anything to always go backwards and to review things as you've learned it. That way you don't forget things. So we're just going to review the first two sounds that we learned, which is going to be E, I, and then we're going to do A. So with this one, remember, big smile, E. And then the jaw drops down and the tongue drops down, I. And then the new sound is going to be A. So let's go down this again. E, I, A. E, I, A. E, I, A. E, I, A. So here's some words that use the sounds that we learned the last few days. E, need, reach, read, and this sound is I, this, gift, sit. Great, let's move forward. Okay, let's learn a new sound. So when we do A, the lips are more relaxed, A, and the tongue comes up a little bit, A. I don't know if you can watch this. A. And the jaw will come up a little bit and drop. A. See the little rise in the tongue and the little bit in the jaw? So let's go through these again. Ready? E, I, A. E, I, A. Good. Excellent. All right, let's practice some words. Ape, age, aim, like aim a gun. Ale, April, eight is a number. Same, rain, date, place, break, paper, way, day, may, away, stay. Ooh. Well, what happened there? You saw my desktop. That's what happened. Okay. All right, so A. Late. Oh, these are different spelling variations here. Remember, in English, there's different ways of spelling these sounds. So that's why I'm focusing on sounds, because if you understand the sounds, then it'll help you a lot with the spelling. So there's 4 different ways of spelling the sound A, as you can see. So let's say these words. Late, safe, hate, main, fail, raise, stay, hey, play, eight, way, neighbor. And let's practice saying some sentences. Again, choose one of these words, and we're going to put a little bit more emphasis on it. So how about we do that one? Actually, we're going to do two there because there's kind of two parts to that sentences. Hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? So do use that word. Take this cake away. Take this cake away. They played a great game. They played a great game. They played a great game. The plane is late. The plane is late. It will arrive at 8. It will arrive at 8. All right, good job. You finished the next lesson on A. I'm looking forward to giving you another English pronunciation lesson tomorrow. Bye-bye.